We guide you through how to get a crypto.com Visa card. So first, open the crypto.com app and sign in to your account or create if you're new. Complete the identity verification process by submitting the required personal information and a valid government issued ID. Once your account is verified, tap the card or Visa card section in the app and review the available card tiers along with their benefits and requirements. Select the card that best fits your needs, then follow the prompts to apply. Depending on the card tier, you may need to meet specific eligibility requirements, such as holding or lacking a certain amount of supported tokens. After submitting your application, wait for approval and track your card status directly in the app. Once your physical cards arrive, activate it by following the on-screen instructions, add funds to your card wallet, and you're ready to use it for purchase anywhere that Visa is accepted.